All right, here's a really cool and unique 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. This one's got a matching number 455, and it came with a 4-speed. A 4-speed's upgraded in this car to a 5-speed. We do have the old transmission for it though, but it's kind of nice because then it's got 373 positive traction differential, 10-bolt. So you can drive in the freeway, have an extra gear, plenty of off-the-line power. I mean, really nice driving car. This guy had this car for 28 years, going on 29 years, and right here in the valley, one of my mechanics buddies actually, and he's been around the valley for a long time. You know, we used to all go to the same places for the street races, and pretty cool. But this kind of seems like his high school car in a way, you know. But it's Firethorn Red. Firethorn Red matching interior. It's got air conditioning. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes. He added the rear disc brakes. We got the factory stuff for that too, if you wanted to put it back. But it was smart by keeping all the old original stuff because, you know, who knows how much these cars are going to be worth someday. And instead of throwing it away and save it in case somebody wants to put it back on. That runs really good though. It's got tilt wheel, cold air. It's got a custom auto sound stereo. They didn't cut the dash up or anything like that, so it's got Bluetooth capability. It's got some updated 17-inch Riddler wheels on there. Makes it handle a little better. Wrapped in hand cooks. Those are good tires. We use them all the time. And smog legal. Totally legal in the state of California. It's worth its weight in gold. All right, we're going to go up here and take some more pictures and video. All right, check out this really rare 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. As I mentioned earlier, belonged to a buddy of ours. He's had it for 29 years, long time, took really good care of it. Motor's been rebuilt, got a new transmission, a 5-speed in it. It's a blue plated California car, no rust. Floors are beautiful, all original. Very few modifications. It's smog legal. It's got front and rear sway bars, which is factory. They did add the rear disc brakes, which you could get later on in the Trans Am, so they just added that. But it has a rear window defogger, cold air conditioning with the 134 Freon, 17-inch Riddler wheels on there. They look really cool. It's got slotted and drilled rotors up front. And this bird is usually a decal. It's painted on. Really nice. You don't even feel the edge. I mean, they cleared over it. Looks beautiful. And that 455, I mean, I didn't even know they had a 455 in 1976 for these cars. I'm not a Trans Am expert, but I've owned a couple hundred of them. But never a 76 with a 455 and a 4-speed. So in California, you couldn't get this car. This is an East Coast car originally in Ohio, but then it came to California. So the smog laws are a little bit lighter on these. It's a stick shift, more horsepower, but it passes. And Firethorn Red is kind of a cool color too. I've never seen one this color. And it's got the matching interior. Interior's in great condition. You know, tilt steering wheel. I'll show you the inside. Tilt column, custom auto sound stereo. Door panels in really good shape. Usually they take a beating on these cars. They don't last that long because there's, you know, in the 70s they had more plastic in cars, but the dash and everything is beautiful. Headliner's nice. Back seats probably were never even sat in. But super, super clean. Even that steering wheel is beautiful. Great looking car. Couple flaws here and there in the paint, but you know, it's an old paint job. It's been touched up a few times over the bumpers, things like that, but man, she sure looks good going down the road. All right, here's the power plant in the 76 Pontiac Trans Am. Like I said earlier, 455. This one's punched out, got a little work done to it. Still smog legal, but it dynoed at like 404 horsepower, I think it was. We have the dyno sheets on it, but it's got power, 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering. They have to kind of stay stock under the hood to pass smog, so there's not a bunch of pretty stuff under here, but it is nice and sano and clean. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice, good running Pontiac here. Plenty of torque. That's what's something about those 455s. They got a lot of torque. Sounds good. Dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Little rumble. It's got those Trans Am tailpipes. Pretty cool, man. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you this fire chicken. All right, thanks for watching.